After I beat you, we'll see your master, Jeshen.
Right. In that case, no more pussyfooting around. Come, let's fight! You're badly hurt. I propose that we stop the fight.
Wait till I master the yin-yang style. Then we'll see what Shaolin's worth.